In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a number to binary online fastest. If you've ever needed a quick binary value for homework, coding, or troubleshooting, the easiest way is to use a reliable online converter. Binary is base 2, which means it uses only the digits 0 and 1 to represent values. Instead of doing manual division or writing out place values, the fastest path is a trusted tool that handles the conversion instantly. Start by heading to an online converter, such as the decimal to binary page from Rapid Tables. Open your browser and search for that exact phrase. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a simple form asking for a decimal number, sometimes called base 10. This method is free, fast, and doesn't require creating an account or installing anything. Now enter your number in the input box. For example, if you type 10, you're telling the tool you want the base 10 number 10 converted. Keep it to digits only, no commas or extra spaces. Most converters expect whole numbers, so stick to integers for a straightforward result. If you're working with a very large value, don't worry. These tools typically handle big inputs smoothly. Just double-check that you haven't accidentally entered a stray character. Next, click the Convert button. Depending on the site, it might be labeled Convert or Calculate, but it does the same thing. The tool instantly runs the math in the background, translating your decimal number into its binary equivalent without any extra steps from you. Right away, you'll see the binary result on the page. Using our example, entering 10 returns 1010. That 1010 is the base 2 representation of the number 10. You may also notice options to copy the result. Use that if you need to paste the binary string into a document or code editor. If the converter shows leading zeros, know that they're not required. Binary values are typically written without them. For negative numbers, many converters simply place a minus sign in front of the binary. That's normal for quick lookups. If something doesn't look right, clear the field, re-enter your number, and convert again. Make sure you're on the decimal to binary page, not a different base converter. That's all there is to it. Go to a converter like Rapid Tables, enter your number, click Convert, and read the binary output. Fast, accurate, and ready to use.